All right, it's Matt Edmonds, Cloudman Local. Today I'm going to be unboxing this TRND Labs Fader Hawk drone that I got for Christmas this year. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for you and take a look at it. Give you my review of it. So I got this for Christmas. Funny story: the last drone that I was testing out. Tammy had told me not to take it to Lake Erie. I took it to Lake Erie to try and get a sunset. Long story short, it landed on the beach close to the water. I knew it didn't go into the water, and there was a family there on the beach. And one of the little girls I found later on, when I went back and watched the video, I see the little girl looking at it, and then I see the drone go flying into the lake. So to wrap that story up, so I got this for Christmas, and there's a condition that until I'm used to using it, not to take it to Lake Erie. So you know, she didn't say anything about tornadoes or wall clouds or any stuff like that, so we'll see. But let's unbox this and take a look at it. All right, so we have the TRND Labs Fader Hawk drone. I'm gonna unbox it and take a look at it. Let's see. Okay, put that there. All right, let's take a look at this drone. Comes in a nice simple box. Okay, so we have a nice little carrying case. That's nice. We can see here that we're going to be able to mount our phone onto the remote. The drone folds up in a nice compact shape. And it comes with this nice little case. It's pretty durable. Feels like a good quality build. Let's take a look. So opening up the case, got the battery pack. Looks like a 3.7 volt battery pack. So that'll go here. Got the remote. Nice feel to it. It's got a real almost rubbery texture. This would fold out to put your cell phone on. Pretty nice. Got some nice joysticks. Got some button controls here. Let's see. Okay, it looks like I need a screwdriver. This would be the battery compartment. That's pretty self-explanatory. So we'll take a look at the drone itself. It's in a nice folded up. So you would just extend the top first, turn it over, extend the bottom. So this would be the drone in its flying position. It's got some landing legs here. So I noticed here we've got the forward-facing camera. It's got some tilt to it so that, you know, you could have it straight forward or facing down. Looks here like we're going to have a decorative light. So then the battery would just insert here like that. Very easy. Seems like a really nice. And I believe this here is an object avoidance sensor. This will prevent you from flying into trees or stuff like that. It's a object avoidance sensor. So the battery easily comes in and out, stores nicely in the case, and then when you're done, just fold the bottom first. Turn it over, top goes back in. Goes right back in nicely. So then over here we have like a little zipper pouch. Let's take a look. So we've got an activation code for a year warranty from TR&D Labs. Feels to be a real nice user guide. Looks pretty thorough. Got some nice color illustrations too. I always like pictures. I'm a very visual person. It looks like we have some QR codes for either the Apple App Store or the Google Play. I use Android, so I would obviously use the Google Play. So we've got the FADER Hawk. That's the product. And here we have a bag. In the bag, oh wow. So we've got, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. My fingers cooperate. We'll dump this out real quick. Oh, so they included a screwdriver. That's handy. So we've got the screwdriver. This would be, to open up the back of the remote. So it comes 4 AAA batteries included. This would be the USB charging cord for the battery pack. Looks like we have some spare screws. That would be for the blades on the drone, and we've got some replacement blades in case they get damaged or worn. So that's really great. So I tell you what, this looks like a very nice product. I can't wait to get it in the air. Obviously that'll be a different video, and I look forward to making that for you. So this was the FADER Hawk TR&D Labs drone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.